Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit.
The youths on the bodies are wasn't up them no kids on them no business what them do what them no care about what them can't tell and do. Couple lyrics down in on the cellar. Police murder me love with a brand new where they target. What it don't pepper is something it for a pleasure. Surprise of another day say they want sure bad with a boom. Remember burn them because them feather. Burn them skin and then them turn it to a leather. If them money for them call them money more than they are. The ten of the call them on a bus them scully and smile and make your show works, you know that you know probably. Make it be fame life and about that not funny. See this and get by them fling down special. They murder opens back at them turn on the agony and foreign and belly cause soldier dead and tongue dopey. Big up now big up the one and red. Big up now big up the one and red. Big up now big up the one and red.
Yes, brothers and sisters, greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, you don't know, subscribe, share, and make we uplift the platform. See. So I man say I think one social media world the other day, Rasta. I'm gonna get a couple call about it too. See it. With I can't just scare them because scare them a month of shock come together and create Boombox Friday. Seen during the pandemic. I can remember when that thing they start and that thing they just start. See, can't remember the artist's name, I think I boomed down the mind. I don't remember how, I don't want to say the thing wrong, but some know so one of them have a big man, so all of them have big man thing. But yeah. Right, man, observe the other day I go on is evidence of how far we are from ever organizing or at a level of unity as a group. I think black people have to go realize, something catastrophic have to go take way as a group. And it's gonna have to be obvious that it's because we are black. It's the only way these black people are gonna ever put them angst aside and create a community, where one for all and all for one is the mantra. Because these days, quite a while now, it has always been every man for himself, In that way, it's easier for the criminal mastermind and the true criminal mastermind them corrupt and get away with it. See. I man see a little thing start, man, from there. Nothing. Boombox. I'm sure I see who started, and that's the thing with us now. See. Could dig down in it still, but it's from Boombox start. We see it we see growth and everything like that. See? And we see the last thing we see is one of the founding fathers for the Boombox Friday get disrespected, publicly disrespected. See, something that I wonder about, I make sure to talk about it from early, That is an incident of grievous bodily harm, GBH, the crime right up behind attempted murder. Serious time. You see, now, gross bodily harm no mean say the person have a suffer grievous bodily harm if have such a conviction, or for it to be prosecutable as such. Gross bodily harm meaning you just need to have the intent to create gross bodily harm. See, you push the man off an elevated platform like that. You obviously expect him to, anything could have happened to him. I could have 5 feet high. Mr. Man drop less than that and lick them head back and dead. Man stand up on them foot, man punch them, drop on them head back dead. See? Worse than that could have happened. Far worse than what happened to General B could have happened to him. Now, this is the reason why these things can continue to happen, because even in the face of evidence, obvious evidence, it's like the authorities still need prompting to act on such a, I mean, you have video evidence of a man attempt actually, you know, man could have dropped on him neck rasta, you see. Big entertainer who do a lot for the culture, the dancehall culture, for the genre, for the, you know, entertainment in general in Jamaica. It's a big disrespect, unacceptable disrespect, you know, and, you know, we're not going to go on like we want to do victim blaming here, so now, you see. So we'll just lower that this up and just get now the whole thing. See? You see, Harry Toddler for realize say, and all our born with the smarts we take for apply with self industriously. You know, see, and make the, you know, acquire the desired benefits we come with the industry. And all the way. Sometimes we come across some people who have who is more skilled in a certain area and a thing, and so community come in now. You see, you join with a man there with your ability, add with female ability, to want to come together and grow. At no point in time, anybody from outside of the community should have any form of influence upon that community, unless his advancement is for help, benefit, or enhance the goal. You see? Long time Harry Toddler signed with Joe Bogdanovich and them downtown record. And me hear him complain over time. I am sound sour when it come on to the relationship between himself and them. But all of a sudden from Boombox Friday pick up, him and them suddenly have a good relationship again. You see, it has been rumored that downtown music want have some input in a Boombox Friday based on the developing success. You know, see. Now, since then, it's like you see Toddler and them are like hints here and there of a growing relationship. And ever since then, you can see the attitude of Harry Toddler change regarding the whole development of Boombox Friday. You see, where a man for remember is that you have a talent, you is an opportunity to a man. See? You are the opportunity. The man, now reverse the mentality by making the thing appear like the man is the opportunity. Now, for a kid used to pick off a tree and wait for a man for sending out for pocket the change so that a food can eat. No for way. You know, see. Yet still, when we see a bit of success, we forget where we are come from and suddenly where, you know, the Issa and the Butch Stewart them have. You know, see, nothing wrong with that. See, but it's the growth process with which we have to adhere and observe. You know, see, in a recent time, there was a little argument, so well then, Boombox Friday want to go up on a tour, go America or something like that. Some sort, you know, see. What happened there so straight away is that you see frown didn't start going because one man I say, Toddler say him now no visa for travel and the Boombox Friday thing can't go foreign and him now go. That at the highest level of dirty bad mind. Never see. While upon the other end, the man, they matter about how them love Boom Dynamite with the other day. Yeah? R.I.P. Boom. See? And how much Elephant Man stagnate Boom Dynamite career, because when Boom Dynamite did sing the song with DMX, like him, you know, sing a song with sound like DMX song and thing like that, and DMX you know, give them the okay and everything like that. DMX all want get involved in the video making and all them something there. Think DMX is one of the video make a foreign where him and the Rough Rider crew can have them input in it. You know, want nothing from it, you know, him just love the crew and love what them do and want, you know, see. Cause it's said that when him did God Jamaica at the time, and him and the Scare Them crew apart, and him love the flex and the flick and the flavor and thing. See? Alright. Every man forgive Elephant Man and them a friend after that incident and everything like that. You know, it is being alleged, we never did it. You know, see, yet still, when it come on to the level of Boombox such of a guy foreign, a man will sit down and say, it can't happen unless, because him can't go a foreign. Now, at them level of dunceness there, exists in the music today, where a man they will seek intelligent consultation from anybody with any knowledge regarding him issue. Keep it to himself and just bloat, regurgitate a sort of sickness in the public sphere, and because we are that beyond in terms of them sort of bureaucracies here, our administrative process here, we just run with the guys because I feel in business and he must know more about it more than anybody else. Far from the truth. You know, see. Now, you know, we have a whole heap of example. Show you how bad mind and stupid Harry Toddler would have been to make a speech like that. Because even at present, at the time when he made that speech there, a whole heap of court process are going on with all musicians, all people who have involvement in any constructive creation whatsoever, where them can now claims them you know, them rights. You know, see, care whoever got court and get what them deserve and thing like that. See? So there was no problem there. The fact is, it's digitally documented. Who and who started Boombox Friday? Who and who is, but at this, you see, you can say something to a man, you know, and it's a contract, a verbal contract, whereas you have documented contract, Rasta. A man still there move as a dunce, because we know Harry Toddler dunce. We don't want nobody tell you that. It's not a fault of his. We don't blame him. We don't blame no dunce youth. We blame the system. We blame the education system. We blame the government. We blame all of them people that deprive us of such. You know, see? You know, see? So we don't blame a man. Dunce is like, it's not acceptable, but it's one of our handicaps where we all have to live with as youth and youth who grew up in Jamaica. You see it, even from inception till present. You see what I say? I mean, it's a black thing anyway over the world. It's a thing where every system in the world where you go, black people have to pay an arm and a leg to get educated, to get brainwashed, to get conditioned to do the bidding of whichever society educated them, pay for educate them. You know, see it. I hope you catch my drift. See? So it just goes to show how dark the society is. Because at the end of the day, it could have easily, well, most people, most men, when them just sit back and wait till the coffers, the money, develop. You can go on out and go do the donkey work with my production Do what you want to do. You see it? Soon as the money start make, as soon as the pot boil, me I come for my share of food. Half pot of food too. Me no business who and you want the born and run boat. Me I come for half pot of that. And you have to give me. I my share of that. And you have to give me. And the law, I said, me I bring the full force, full might of the law to come get mine. You know see? Harry Toddler could have easily well do that if that was the case. Where him have a problem, say him go financially out of pocket because him not get fuck up on tour, so him not gonna get. No, it's impossible. What kind of brain? Imagine that. What kind of brain think that? No, you entertain a friend where the two one is from the same profession. Regardless of the only expressed disagreement with me here so far is that General B never go around at the go back a see view from Boom Dynamite dead. It might be too painful for him. I mean, look how far them a come from, Rasta. It's not nice when somebody where you respect and admire and love died, you know. Not nice. You know, see, you want like you want to go in isolation, worse when you can't do nothing about it. It could be why a man never observe that aspect regarding General B's absence, Rasta. Why? Oh, I'm gonna take offense to that. Why? You care about the dead man more than you care about the live man? You should have glad to see man welcoming back. I said, I know, dog, wait a man, I'm here, you start this from when? Are you for there? No. A guy see the opportunity when he can take over and everything belongs to him. You see, and when him say a true architect, likewise himself, just like himself, walking for claim for him. You know, this is where other people, outsiders, are going to get involved. Push the man off a stage. And hurt the man and them thing there. And it is being alleged that Harry Toddler have a group, a film group of gangster road where Harry Toddler get money from or influence from. If you have that today, you know, Rasta. Where him get money and influence from? If you have them. Or him get access to resource whereby him can, you know, have man where come step out film like that. You know, as never before. At no time, you know, throughout him experience, you never really hear anything or see anything like that. Oh, all of a sudden, no. Harry Toddler is one of the most docile in terms of them sort of thing there. Badness thing there. You see? Oh, all of a sudden, if you observe all of them things here, paired with the connection of the down sound thing, the Bogdanovich thing, and all of them thing there. You see, because since Boombox start, him recognized by them again. See, when it done, but not even when it get successful, you know, including this incident that we go on with General B. Him and them a friend, most friend. Where resource come from, you know? Anybody advise him as to feel legal right or to General B's legal right or just badness and do it and intimidation where you can bad up a man and take film one and is at the sea, you know? You know? These are the things. These are the things. These are the examples of where we are today as a people, as a group. Why we don't have no semblance of unity amongst us to grow or develop further. Who is this guy here? Who is this guy here? We prominently stand up on stage and push off a man who is supposed to be on stage. Who is him? Him do it on camera. Oh, me not see the authorities them take up this in hand. Them don't need nobody. The video is there. Circulate on social media, Rasta. But a man perform this big violent crime in front of the society. And you know you're nothing about that. You know you're nothing about the guy. We can't go to which political party about him. You know you're nothing about that guy there. You know you're nothing more about that guy there. You never seen picture float around on social media like say, well then, this guy is a man of interest because I'm almost killed an iconic Jamaican. How comes? How comes? You know? How comes? Yet still you don't have campaign and go on, Crime Stop campaign, information, disinformation, that. And when you don't have the full case already made in front of you, no act on them sort of something there. How serious people for take on Rasta? How serious you can take the Jamaican administration when things like them here happen, you know, in front of the eyes of the world. How is this even, you know? You know? General Beef just go sit one side now and chill and make them go on the way them do and collect weekly. You see it? Since as I don't know alone want do it, you do it then. I don't have to pay me my percentage every week. By law. You see it? Or else the court with the might of the court will come take what we don't have, take what we don't have. With bailiff. Take one of the car out from on the road, just watch on and follow on in the park somewhere, we just take it and go on the car and come back for it. These are the things we need to happen to little loose head toddler. Because that's what it is. You'll never grow old because you will always be a freaking toddler. You act like a toddler, you portray yourself like a toddler, you just behave like a big belly toddler. And I give thanks once again, you know. Rastafari.